Hello friends, good morning. Once again, welcome to our channel Ayurveda PG Basics. We are discussing important questions for BA, MS, AIE, PGT, Ayurveda, Ayush National Exist Test, Ayurveda Medical Officer, Ayush State Level PSC exams, MD and MS entrance exams, MPH and MHA, UPSC. For all the Ayurveda competitive exams, important questions. So be connected with us up to the end. You will get many surprises at the end. Hello friends, welcome to day 9. We are discussing daily 15 MCQs which are important for Ayurveda competitive exams. Myself, Dr. Revan Siddhya Swami. Let's start. Om Ganeshaya Namaha, Om Dhanvantari Devaya Namaha. Match the following between the Dashveda Pariksha and its bhavas. Group A is a Karna, Karya Yoni, Karna, Karya. Group B are the Dhatu Satmya, Dhatu Vaishamya, Bhishaka and Vaishya. If you know the answer, write in the comments. At the end of the video, how many of you corrected, you can check out. Okay? We are giving the surprise gift for our subscribers. Only limited to our members. Who has given more comments, we will give the surprise gift for our super members. Yes, if you know the answer, write in the comments. Who will give the more comments, we will give the surprise gift. Okay, what is the Karana? In the Chikitsa Bhava, okay, Charaka Acharya explained in the Charaka Samhita Vimanasana 8th chapter, okay. The Dashveda Pariksha Bhava is explained by Charaka Acharya. Okay, here Karana is the main important, okay. Karana for the treatment is the Bhishaka, or the, okay, Vaidya, doctor. Okay, next, what is the Karya Yoni? What is the, okay, root we are treating? Here, okay, we are treating the Dhatu Vaishamya of the patient. Next one is, okay, what is the Karana, or the medium we are, okay, using for the treatment? Medium is nothing but, okay, Bheshija or the Aushadhi. Okay, Aushadha. Next, what is the Karya we are doing? Okay, Charaka Acharya explained here, we are doing the, okay, correcting the Dhatu Satmya of the patient. Okay, we are doing the equilibrium of the three doshas and getting the Dhatu Satmya. So option A is the correct. Okay, so correct answer is A is a 3, B is a 2, C is a 4, D is a 1. Okay, option C is the correct. How many of you get the correct one? Write in the comments. Who will give the maximum comments will get the surprise gift. Next question. What is the family name of plant Nirgundi, medicinal plant? Okay, you are interested in AIE PGT exam, Ayurveda competitive exams. Be connected with us up to the end. You will get, okay, daily questions on our community post. We have already uploaded, okay, 4,000 plus questions on our community post. Check out on our channel Ayurveda PG Basics community post. You will get daily MCQs. Yes, if you know the answer, what is the family name of the Nirgundi medicinal plant, or it is also called as the Sindhu or Harenuka. Options are Anacardiaceae, Fabiaceae, Verbenaceae, Amarantaceae. Okay, Nirgundi, what is the botanical name and family name? If you know, write in the comments. Pause the video and write in the comments. Yes, botanical name is a Vitexa nirgundo, and family name it is, okay, it belongs to the Verbenaceae family. Okay, it is also called as, okay, five-leaved plant. 5 leaves, okay, it's having the 5 leaves. And what is the Rasapanchaka of the Nirgundi plant? If you know, write in the comments. Yes, very important, okay, for the theory exams and competitive exams. Nirgundi having the, okay, Katu and the Tiktarasa, okay, and it is also having, okay, Katu Vipaka and Ushnavirya. Ushnavirya medicinal plant. So it is used in the, okay, Kesha, Netrahita, Krimi Roga, Kushta Roga, Nirgundi is used. Okay, what are the formulations of Nirgundi? If you know, write in the comments. If you have any questions, okay, regarding Ayurvedic medicinal plant, you can ask your questions in the comments. Next question. Glycorrhizin is a chemical compound of which medicinal plant? Options are Chitraka, Haritaki, Ikshubheda and Eshtimadu. Okay, what is the botanical name of Chitraka, Haritaki, Ikshubheda and Eshtimadu? If you know, write in the comments. Glycorrhizin is a chemical compound of Eshtimadu. Okay, botanical name is a Glycorrhizin glabra and it belongs to the, okay, Papilionaceae family. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the Chitraka chemical compound, okay, Plumbago xylenica, the Haritaki, okay, Terminalia cebula, mainly chemical compound is, okay, tannin, Kashyarasa pradhana Aushadha and Ikshubheda, okay, it is having the Madhura Rasa. Okay, yes, if you have any questions, write in the comments. Yes, next question. Which of the following is not included in the Triphala Mishraka Gana? Options are Amlaki, Haritaki, Aragvada and Vibhitaki. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Who will give the, okay, maximum comments will get the surprise gift from our community. So if you know the answer, write in the comments. Who will give maximum comments will get the more gifts on our channel. Okay, here Triphala medicinal Mishraka Gana including the Amlaki, Haritaki and Vibhitaki. So correct answer is, okay, Aragvada is not included in the Triphala medicinal plant. What are the botanical name and family name of Amlaki? What is the botanical name and family name of Haritaki? And what is the botanical name and family name of Vibhitaki? If you know, write in the comments. If you not seen our, okay, from day 1 to the day 8 video, just visit our channel Ayurveda PG Basics. You will get, okay, daily 15 MCQs and 5 to 10 MCQs on our community post daily. Ayurveda PG Basics. If you are getting any questions, write in the comments. Write the reference in the comments. We will discuss the important slokas. Next question. Find out the correct statement regarding the Ojas. Ojas is a Shukra ka sar hai, told by Ashtanga Hridaya. Ojas is a Shukra ka mal hai, told by Ashtanga Hridaya. Ojas is a Shukra ka sneha hai, told by the Sharakdhara Acharya. Ojas as a Shukra ka upadhatu hai, told by Vagbhata Acharya. Which of the following, okay, 3 statements are wrong and which statement is correct? If you know the answer, write in the comments. Okay, regarding the Ojas, we have already studied in the Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana, okay, 17th chapter also, and in the Ashtanga Hridaya also we have studied about, okay, Ojas as a essence of all the 7 dhatu, Shukra dhatu. Yes, if you know the answer, write in the comments. Ojas is a Shukra ka sar, told by Ashtanga Sangraha, okay, it is told by Rudra Vagbhata Acharya, not the Ashtanga Hridaya. Ojas as a Shukra ka mal, told by Raghu Vagbhata Acharya, okay, it is the correct statement. Ojas as a Shukra ka sneha hai, told by Dallana Acharya, okay, commentator of Shushu Samhita, not the Sharangadhara Acharya. Ojas as a Shukra ka upadhatu, told by the, okay, Sharangadhara Acharya, not the Vagbhata Acharya. Ojas as a Shukra ka upadhatu, told by Sharangadhara Acharya, okay. It's very important regarding the Ojas topic, okay. We got many times in the, okay, previous year question papers. We got many times the repeated questions on the AIE PGT question papers. So Ojas topic is very important. So next question. Ojas are, okay, having 2 types, Para Ojas and Apara Ojas are explained by which Acharya? Options are Acharya Charaka, Acharya Chakrapani, Acharya Shushruta, Acharya Vagbhata. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Who will give the, okay, maximum comments will get the surprise gift on our channel Ayurveda PG Basics. Ayurveda PG Basics. If you give maximum comments, you will get, okay, surprise gift on our channel. Yes, we will publish on our channel also. Who will get the gift every week? We will upload or the publish on our community post. You will get okay 4,000 plus MCQs on our community post. You will get daily 2 to 3 MCQs on our community post. So just visit our channel community post. You will get daily MCQs on our community post. Yes, OJS okay are the two types, para OJS and apar OJS, explained by okay Chakrapani Acharya. Next question, according to Sharangadhara Acharya, जीवस्य आधार उत्तमम told regarding okay which dhatu, rasa dhatu, rakta dhatu, shukra dhatu are the OJS. Yes, if you know the answer, write in the comments. Okay, जीवस्य आधार उत्तमम, according to Sharangadhara, okay जीवस्य आधार उत्तमम is okay told regarding the rakta dhatu. Okay, here one more question is okay according to Bhava Prakash. Okay, Bhava Prakash Nigantu also will get the same question. जीवस्य आश्रय उत्तमम, what is the जीवस्य आश्रय उत्तमम? Okay, it is explained regarding the OJS. Okay, it is told by the Bhava Mishra and the Bhava Prakash Nigantu. Okay, remember this. If you have any questions regarding the okay Bhava Prakash Nigantu or the Sharangadhara Samhita or the Madhava Nidhan, okay, which are very important Lagutrais of the Ayurveda, if you have any questions, write in the questions in the comments. Next question, according to Charaka, Alarka Vishay is predominant of which dosha? Okay, we know the Sapta doshas, Vata Pitta Kapha, okay, or the combinations of Vata Pitta Kapha. Alarka Vishay is predominant of which dosha? Options are Vata Pitta, Pitta Kapha, Vata Kapha, Vata Pitta Kapha. Okay, you are asking according to Charaka Acharya. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Yes, if you give the okay more comments, you will get surprise gift on our channel. Yes, okay, we are publishing okay first time we are giving the okay surprise gift on our channel. What is the dosha predominant in the Alarka Visha? Okay, Charaka Acharya explained in Alarka Visha Vata Pitta Kapha. Okay, 3 doshas are predominant. Okay, here important is Sushruta Acharya okay explained Vata and Kapha is predominant in the Alarka Visha. Okay, Vagbhata Acharya explained Kapha dosha is predominant in the Alarka Visha. Okay, so these are very important. If you have any questions okay regarding the Alarka Visha or the okay Stavra Visha or the Jangama Visha, write your questions in the comments. If you first time visited our channel, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share this video to your friends and be connected with us. Okay, and tell me in the comments what are the Stavra Visha Adhisthana and Jangama Visha Adhisthana. How many numbers of okay Stavra Visha and Jangama Visha Adhisthana's told by Sushruta Acharya and Sushruta Kalpasthana? If you know the answer, write in the comments. Yes, who will give the more comments? He will get the surprise gift on our Ayurveda PG Basics channel. According to Sushruta Acharya Ajirna Veda, how many types of the okay indigestion are explained by Sushruta Acharya? Options are 2, 4, 6 and 8. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Okay, Charaka Acharya explained how many ajirna, Sushruta Acharya explained how many ajirna, Vagbhata Acharya explained how many ajirna, Vedas okay we will discuss. Here okay mainly Sushruta Acharya explained okay mainly 4 types of the ajirnas and Sharangadhara Acharya okay explained 3 types of the ajirnas. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Sushruta Acharya explained 4 types of ajirna, Sharangadhara Acharya okay explained 3 types of ajirna and Madhava Acharya okay explained 6 types of the ajirna and okay Kashyapa Acharya also explained 3 types of the ajirna. If you have any questions okay regarding the ajirna Veda, you can ask your questions in the comments. Okay, please do share our channel with your friends and do subscribe to our channel and join our membership. Our upcoming live streaming videos are only for the subscribers and only limited to our members. So don't forget to join our membership. It's only starting with the 59 rupees. So don't forget to join our membership. Next question, dosha predominant in the Ardhava Vedaka Shiroroga. Which dosha is predominant in the okay Ardhava Vedaka? Okay, first of all it is a Shiroroga. How many types of Shiroroga is explained by Charaka Acharya, Sushruta Acharya and Vagbhata Acharya? If you know the answer, write in the comments. How many okay the Shira related diseases explained by our Acharyas? If you know the answer, write in the comments. Here asking okay Ardhava Veda is predominant of which dosha? Options are Vataja dosha, Pittaja dosha, Kaphaja dosha and 3 dosha. Okay, the combination of 3 dosha. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Once again I am telling okay who will give the maximum comments we will get the okay surprise gift on our channel Ayurveda PG Basics. If you want to get surprise gift from our channel, just subscribe to our channel and give them okay more answers in the comments. Yes, okay, here according to Sushruta Acharya okay here asking Sushruta Acharya Sharira Sthana 5th chapter okay 2nd shloka Ardhava Vedaka okay Sushruta Acharya okay explained in Ardhava Vedaka Vata Pitta Kapha dosha. Okay, all 3 doshas are predominant. And according to Charaka Acharya okay in Ardhava Vedaka explained okay Vata or the Vata Kapha doshas are predominant in Ardhava Vedaka. Okay, it is explained in the Govind Parikh also. If you have any questions, you can visit the okay Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 19th chapter. You will get okay detailed explanation. If you have any questions regarding okay Shira Roga, according to Charaka Acharya, according to Sushruta Acharya and Vagbhata Acharya, write your questions in the comments. Next question, dosha predominant in the Mrudu Koshta. Vata dosha, Pitta dosha, Kapha dosha and 3 dosha. Here asking okay according to Sushruta Acharya, Mrudu Kosha is predominant of which dosha? Okay, in Ayurveda we will discuss mainly Mrudu Koshta, Madhyama Koshta and Krura Koshta. Okay, Vagbhata Acharya explained also Krura Koshta, Mrudu Koshta, Madhyama Koshta and Sama Koshta. Sushruta Acharya also explained okay Mrudu Koshta, Madhyama Koshta and Krura Koshta. This okay Madhyama Koshta is not explained by Charaka Acharya. Okay, it's a difference. Here asking Mrudu Koshta is predominant of which dosha? According to Sushruta Acharya, okay, Mrudu Koshta is predominant of Pitta dosha. Okay, according to Sushruta, Mrudu Koshta is predominant of Pitta dosha. According to Charaka, okay, Mrudu Koshta is predominant of Alpa Kapha, Manda Maruta. Okay, these are the explanation given by Charaka Acharya. In Mrudu Koshta, we will get the Alpa Kapha and okay Manda Maruta. If you have any questions okay regarding the Mrudu Koshta, Madhyama Koshta and Krura Koshta, you can ask your questions in the comments. Next question, according to Vagbhata Acharya, Anuvasana Basti Vyapadas. Okay, you are asking according to Vagbhata Acharya. Okay, who has written the Ashtanga Hridaya and Ashtanga Sangraha? Here, okay, important is Ashtanga Hridaya explained by Laghu Vagbhattacharya and Ashtanga Sangra is explained, okay, Ruddha Vagbhattacharya. Here asking, okay, Anuvasana Basti. First of all, tell, okay, Basti and Basti types, okay, it will be getting long video. Yes, okay, directly we are going to the answer. How many Anuvasana Basti Vyapadas explained by Vagbhattacharya? Correct answer is, okay, 8 types of the Vyapadas are explained, okay. Vyapadas are nothing but, okay, complications. What are the complications in the Anuvasana Basti? If you have any questions, okay, regarding the Anuvasana Basti and its matra and its karma, okay, or in the Nirva Basti or in the Uttara Basti, if you have any questions, write your questions in the comments. Who will give the, okay, maximum comments will get the surprise gift on our Ayurveda PG Basics channel. Okay. Next question, total number of Shleshmaja Krimi Sankhya explained by Charaka Acharya. Options are 2, 5, 7 and 9. If you know the answer, how many Shleshmaja Krimi or the, okay, Kafaja Krimi explained by Charaka Acharya in Charaka Samhita Vimanasthana, okay, 7th chapter. Yes, correct answer is, okay. Yes, it is explained in Vimanasthana 7th chapter. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Okay, here important is Charaka Acharya, okay, explain mainly 4 types of the krimi. Okay, how to remember this? See, okay, Malaja Krimi, Purishaja Krimi, Raktaja Krimi, and, okay, Shleshmaja Krimi. Okay, write in the alphabetical order and 2, okay, 5, 6 and 7. So remember, okay, Malaja Krimi are the 2 types, Purishaja Krimi are the 5 types, Raktaja Krimi are the, okay, 6 types, Shleshmaja Krimi or the Kafaja Krimi are, okay, 7 in number. Okay, what are the, okay, these 20 types of the, okay, Krimi Roga? We will also discuss in the, okay, one more live stream video. If you want to, okay, join our upcoming live stream video, write in the comments. Our upcoming live stream videos are only for the members. So join our membership and be connected with us. Okay, correct answer is Shleshmaja Krimi are, okay, 7 in number. How many Krimi explained by Shrushtha Acharya and Vagbhattacharya? If you know, write in the comments. Next question, according to Shrushtha Acharya, what is the Shrestha Phala or the, okay, best fruits explained by Shrushtha Acharya? Options are Mridvika, Amlaki, Draksha and Dradima. Yes, if you know the answer, write in the comments. Reference is Shrushtha Samhita, Sutra Sthana 46, chapter 144, Shloka. Last chapter in Shrushtha Samhita. What is the Shrestha Phala or the, okay, best fruit according to Shrushtha Acharya? Correct answer is, okay, according to Shrushtha Acharya, Shrestha Phala is, okay, Amlaki. Okay, and important is according to Charaka Acharya, which fruit is Shrestha Phala? Okay, according to Charaka Acharya, Mridvika is, okay, Shrestha Phala. According to Shrushtha Acharya, Amlaki is a Shrestha Phala. According to the, okay, Vagbhattacharya, Draksha is, okay, Shrestha Phala. Okay, these are very important. Okay, it is already asked in the AIA PGT previous year question papers. We are, okay, selecting the previous year question papers from the BHM and AIA PGT question papers. So we are discussing daily. If you are interested, join our membership. You will get, okay, daily live stream video for only for the members. Next question, according to Shrushtha Acharya, Nirvisha Sarpa Sankhya. Okay, non-poisonous snakes. According to Shrushtha Acharya, options are 22, 26, 12 and 10. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Okay, who will give the maximum comments will get the, okay, surprise gift on our Ayurveda PG Basics channel. Surprise gift. We will upload on our community post also. Yes, okay, here Shrushtha Acharya, okay, explained mainly 5 types of the sarpas. Okay, Charaka Acharya explained 3 types of the sarpa. Shrushtha Acharya, okay, explained 5 types of the sarpa. What are the 5 types of the sarpa? They are the Dravikara, Mandali, Rajimana sarpa, Nirvisha sarpa, and one more is, okay, Mishrita sarpa. Okay, how many types of Dravikara, Mandali, Rajimana, Nirvisha and, okay, Mishrita sarpa? If you know, write in the comments. Okay, Shrushtha Acharya explained total 26 Dravikara sarpa, 22 Mandali sarpa, okay, 10 Rajimana sarpa and 12 Nirvisha sarpa and Mishrita also, okay, 12 Mishrita sarpa. Okay, so correct answer is here asking, okay, Nirvisha sarpas are the 12 in number. If you have any questions, okay, regarding the Savisha sarpa and Nirvisha sarpa or the, okay, it's Chikitsa or the, okay, it's 24, okay, Upakrama. If you have any questions regarding, okay, Visha Chikitsa, write your questions in the comments. Okay, here we are completed, okay, 15 MCQs today. You want, okay, upcoming live stream video, upcoming, okay, important questions. Write more comments in the comments. Okay, give the feedback in the comments. If you want, okay, more questions from the Charaka Samhita, Shrushtha Samhita or Ashtanga Hridaya or the, from the, okay, Govind Parikh, write in the comments. Okay, please give the feedback in the comments. Myself, Dr. Revan Sidhya Swami, REVANSIDDA SWAMY, Dr. Revan Sidhya Swami. Who will give the, okay, maximum comments will get the, okay, surprise gift on our channel. It's a surprise. We will give the, okay, most valuable gifts on our members. So don't forget to, okay, do more comments and get this gift on our channel Ayurveda PG Basics. If you not seen our, okay, day 1 15 MCQs to the day 2, day 3 15 MCQs, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7 and day 8 15 MCQs, visit the Ayurveda PG Basics channel and watch out, okay, all the important videos. Okay, what is your target college in the Ayurveda competitive exams? Write in the comments. Okay, at last, okay, I would like to tell, okay, if you have any questions in the Charaka Samhita, Shrushtha Samhita and Ashtanga Hridaya or in the, okay, any modern subjects, write your questions in the comments. So don't forget to check out our daily community post MCQs. Okay, thank you one and all for being connected with us and giving your time on the Ayurveda PG Basics channel. Myself, Dr. Revan Sidhya Swami, signing off.